Akshay, can you throw some light on the kind of textures and the fabrics that you've played with?
Well, I've played a lot with laser cuts. So there's a lot of shadow laser cutting happening with blacks and whites. So it's all monochrome, and we've also infused a bit of 3D scallops and leaves, exactly what you see in a forest. A lot of texture, a lot of self-textured brocade appliques, and it's all happening on sheer organza. So you see the effect even more and even more dramatic. The silhouettes are very wearable, edgy, dramatic. I mean, I could totally kind of visualize me and a lot of my clients wearing this, so I know that we're on the right track.
You mentioned about scallops. So scallops is one trend that we're looking forward to.
Can we also ask?
Definitely.
Swara, can we?
Yes.
Swara, you're wearing a headgear, so I want to know, do you usually do this? Do you like wearing headgears in general life?
No, actually. I mean, as a rule, my hair is a mess. When I was 8 years old, I used to have long plaits. My mom was combing my hair one day, and I was like, and so she like yelled at me and whacked me. So I was really mad. I took a pair of scissors and cut my plaits off like this. So after that, my hair showed me, you know which finger, and never grew back. So hair is always a mess. So when Shikha told me that you know, there's this amazing piece that she has, which in her own work for a winter fall collection actually is symbolic of the beginning of spring. I really like that. And she said there's this headgear. So I was like, that's fine, as long as my hair is tied up and it's at the back, and it's because it has a will of its own, I'm okay. But I think that the headgear really complemented what she was trying to do. They've also worked on it, made it specially for, and all the jewelry that the models wore, made specially for the show, inspired by the same kind of philosophy in nature. So there's like leaves and twigs and I feel like, you know, forest princess, which is a very rare feeling for me.
Foresty. We're also foresty.
Yeah, you know.
Look at us, junglies.
Have you ever felt the pressure of looking good as an actress?
I think that all actresses, and I'm sure Daisy and Manasri and Madhurima will agree with me, I think that all actresses feel the pressure of looking good. Actresses kya yaar, all women in general. I think औरतों को कहीं ज़्यादा मर्दों से judge किया जाता है on the basis of their looks. I definitely have. In fact, I've had all kinds of bizarro experiences. I remember in my first year when I just come to Bombay, there were directors who actually said to me that you're not actress material, you're not heroine material. And I remember other people who I've been rejected from roles. People have said you're too intelligent looking. Like, I don't know what that means, because if you're judging us on the face, then what is this whole fashion industry supposed to do? I don't know. And I remember a reporter once asking me, "तो मैडम ये बताइए, आप उतनी सुंदर नहीं है, तो कैसे लगता है आपको इस बारे में?" And I was like, मुझे तो मेरी शक्ल पसंद आती है और मेरे सारे boyfriends को भी कोई problem नहीं होता. So yeah, I think that it's just an occupational hazard. I mean, we are, you know, we're in front of the lights, so you have to look good. But I don't know, I think you have to be inside if you're a real heat and a besharam, and as long as you love your own face, it doesn't matter.
And how much are you dependent on your stylist for your costume or maybe?
Oh, like 100%. I'm completely incapable of dressing myself, styling myself, unless I have to just be around myself. I'm terrified of these people, huh? So yeah, I rely a lot on my team, not just my stylists, but also my people who do my hair and makeup. I think they're amazing people who make us look so good.
She's here, I guess.
Yeah, she's here, Rupa.
Swara, how would you describe your dressing sense?
Like in life?
Yeah.
In life, मेरा बहुत simple rule है यार. If I can sit आलती-पालती in what I'm wearing, then I'm fine. It doesn't matter what it is.
Yay. Come on.
Thank you.
Standing?
सबसे पहले जानना चाहेंगे किसको आप सपोर्ट करने आई हैं?
मैं ईशा अमीन को सपोर्ट करने आई हूँ। ईशा मेरी स्टाइलिस्ट रह चुकी है 3 साल। जय हो में उन्होंने मुझे स्टाइल किया था, हिट स्टोरी के लिए स्टाइल किया था। तो जब मुझे पता चला कि वो लैक्मे फैशन वीक में अपना कलेक्शन डेब्यू करने वाली है, सो देयर इज़ नो थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, मुझे आना ही था ईशा को सपोर्ट करने के लिए।
सो ईशा स्टाइल मी फॉर अ वाइल, और वो बहुत ही स्वीट है। अगर उनको 4 बजे सुबह भी फ़ोन करो कि ईशा मुझे 5 घंटे में कुछ चाहिए, शी विल मेक दैट हैपन। सो यू नो शी इज़ अ फैबुलस फ्रेंड, सो वी हैड टू बी देयर फॉर हर। एंड दिस कलेक्शन इज़ वेरी नाइस, यू नो बहुत डिफरेंट है उनके पहले कलेक्शंस में से, बहुत सेक्सी, बहुत एजी है। एंड मैं वेट कर रही हूँ कि कब मुझे कलेक्शन पहनने को मिले।
What does fashion means to you? Of you guys?
What is?
Fashion means to you?
I think fashion for me, I think fashion is very individual. For me, it's about combining the fashion trends with my own personal style.
For me, fashion is all about what mood I'm in, so it's like that.
Fashion for me is comfort and what enhances my personality. That's what fashion is.
And आपके personal style statement?
पर्सनल स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट इज़ वेरी फर्स्ट फ्री, बहुत ही सिंपल है। डेनिम्स, गंजीज, स्लीपर्स, टी शर्ट्स।
लैक्मे का प्लेटफॉर्म कितना बड़ा मानते हैं आप?
काफ़ी बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है, जैसे दिख रहा है आपको, इतनी सारी मीडिया है और कवरेज भी ज़्यादा मिलता है। सो इट्स अ विन विन सिचुएशन फॉर द डिज़ाइनर, फॉर द पीपल हु कम।
अडे जी, आप किसी के लिए वॉक करने वाले हैं क्या आगे आने वाले दिन?
I'm not so sure, but I might work for one of the designers in Delhi for the next week. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
कृष्णा भाई? Yeah, rolling. Okay. सर सबसे पहले क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कितना कंफर्टेबल ड्रेस है? प्लीज टेल अस अबाउट योर आउटफिट।
ये बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल ड्रेस है। शिखा जी, जो जिनकी लाइन का नाम विम्सिकल है, इन्होंने इसे डिज़ाइन किया है। आज इस बार लैक्मे फैशन वीक में इनका फर्स्ट टाइम है, एंड आई एम हर शो स्टॉपर। सो इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस एंड आई रियली इंजॉयड द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ वॉकिंग फॉर शिखा।
Okay.
Yes, I feel like a forest queen, नहीं princess. Queen के तो बच्चे होते हैं ना। I feel good. I feel lovely and comfortable, which is important if you're walking the ramp. And I think that Shikha's collection is a very special collection because apart from the fact that of course it's breathable, wearable, every garment is handcrafted using very interesting techniques, starting with spray painting, then down to this kind of print. And they've actually, I don't know how they've done it, they've managed to get the prints from actual leaves and flowers. So this is amazing. I don't know what they did, but I like it, I love it.
सर अगर फैशन की अगर बात करिए तो अपनी नज़र में फैशन की डेफिनेशन क्या है? What is fashion for you?
I think fashion for me is a state of looking comfortable, good and happy. If you're not feeling happy in what you're wearing, then you're not being fashionable. And the best thing about fashion is कि fashion के कोई rules नहीं होते हैं, तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं as long as you can carry it off.
सर आपके फेवरेट डिजाइनर कौन?
यार ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I think that there's a lot of amazing talent around. मेरे लिए आई थिंक कि भारत में बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग काम हो रहा है फैशन के वर्ल्ड में. बहुत सारे टैलेंटेड और कमाल के डिज़ाइनर्स हैं, नए लोग हैं जैसे कि शिखा जी. तो इट्स अ गुड स्पेस. एंड आई थिंक एक्टर होने का सबसे अमेजिंग चीज़ ये है कि आप सबके कपड़े पहन सकते हैं. तो यू डोंट हैव टू बी लिमिटेड टू एनी वन पर्सन. सो वी गेट टू वेयर अमेजिंग क्रिएशंस बाय अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. Well, depending on the occasion, I think that I love, of course, for casual wear, shorts. I'm a shorts person. But for dressy stuff, I actually really like sarees because I think it's a garment that anyone can look good in and works for every occasion, really.
When it comes to your lips, what are the brands that you swear by?
Again, as I said, that we use many different brands. I really like dark lip colors, so the kind that I'm wearing right now. Inglot has a really nice set of colors, and there's MAC, of course. But oh, sorry, Lakme. Why you ask me brand name? Sorry, you have to tell me this. Lakme, dude. I love Lakme. Lakme is my favorite lip color, and they have an amazing range of lipsticks. And Absolute is a new range. Is their line which is fab. They also have amazing nail colors. So definitely Lakme. सॉरी मेरी नील बटे सन्नाटा के बाद मेरी आने वाली फिल्म है अनारकली आरा वाली, जो एक आरा बिहार का एक शहर है, उसकी नाच पार्टी सिंगर की एक कहानी है. उसमें बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लुक है मेरा, फैशन वीक में है, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लुक है मेरा एक देसी रॉक स्टार का, तो उसको लेकर मैं बहुत उत्सुक हूँ. उसके बाद वीरे दी वेडिंग की शूटिंग करूँगी मैं, और एक और फिल्म है टिकली और लक्ष्मी बॉम्ब, बहुत ही बेहतरीन कहानी जिसकी है, उसकी भी शूटिंग शुरू होगी.
वीरे दी वेडिंग के बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए, कितनी एक्साइटेड हैं इसके लिए?
मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ वीरे दी वेडिंग के लिए. ऑब्वियसली बहुत ही मज़ेदार कहानी है, बहुत ही बेहतरीन स्क्रिप्ट है. मेरी दोस्त सोनम कपूर हैं उसमें, करीना हैं उसमें जो बहुत ही कमाल की एक्ट्रेस हैं, बहुत बड़ी स्टार हैं, और शिखा तलसानिया भी हैं जो एक बहुत ही कमाल की एक्ट्रेस हैं. रिया प्रोड्यूस करिए, तो ये दोस्तों के बीच बन रही है फिल्म. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
थैंक यू.